Hi guys, I'm Lucas, a current AP Calculus BC student who makes these videos to help myself study. So today we're going to be doing the derivative of EAX, and then I'm going to be showing you guys how to find the derivative of a point using a calculator. So the derivative of EX, which is EX, is actually pretty easy, not that complicated. So if you just have this, the derivative is just EX. See, the y value of this function is the slope, so that's why this works. Because e is also a constant, by the way. Now, let's say you have f of x equals, I'll do e to the power of u. Just kidding, yeah, this is supposed to be correct. Now, how do we find the derivative of this? Say u is a function. Let's say g of x, right? Say this is a function. Well, what you got to do, f prime is going to equal u prime times e to the power of u. This is how that works. Now, let's do an example. We'll do two examples. One will be easier than the other one. So I have f of x equals e to x to minus 1. I'll put this in parentheses. Okay, so let's set this up. F prime equals, alright, so what's the derivative of 2x? 2. E, then 2x, put this in parentheses. What's the derivative of negative 1? 0. So this is your answer. Pretty easy. Now, let's get this one. Let's see here. Okay. We're going to have e to the power of negative 3 over x. Now, anytime you have something like this right here, you always want to kind of simplify it. Make it look nice and pretty. We're going to have negative 3 x to the power of negative 1 because it's on the denominator. So, let's do this. F prime of x is going to equal, what's the derivative of this? So, negative 1 times negative 3 is going to be 3, then the power times the power of x, negative 2. 10 times e, negative 3x minus 1. Okay, now of course you have this, but you don't want to leave this all in negative numbers. So, see this 3 here? 3 is going to be on top. This x is going to be on the bottom because it's negative. This e will also be on the bottom because it's negative. Right here. Okay, so what we're going to do here is basically, okay, so we kind of want to simplify this here. And the way we're going to do that is we're just going to rewrite this like this. Boom. Like that. Pretty simple. So, not that bad. Yeah. See, E is going to be pretty easy. I feel like it's kind of the easiest thing you'll do. But, now let's get into the calculator part. So if you're using a TI 84 calculator on your test, also please don't use this. Please use Desmos. Please. Okay, but if you're using that, then what you're going to do is you're going to type math 8. Alright? Type this. You should end up with D over D, the little box. And then you have parentheses, a big line right here, then x equals, it's another box. So into this box, you're going to type x, and then right here, you're going to type your function. Then right here, you're going to type at the point you want. So say I want 4. Then you plug this in, and it'll give you your answer. But say I want to graph it. Well, the way I'm going to graph it, I'm just going to replace this with x. And I'll put this into y equals, by the way, as well, when you want to graph it. You can also, and all these are going to be approximations because of the way it's calculated, right? You can also do this on a graph. If you have that graph of the derivative, not of the derivative, of the regular graph, so if I just have x squared, you can also go and press calc, then dy over dx. And you can like just type any x value, you just type it on your calculator, press enter, and it'll give you the approximation. So that's on the TI-84 calculator. But you can also go onto Desmos and do d over dx. Say I want to do here. I'll write f of x here. F of x equals, let's say, 3x power of 3 plus 2x. Okay, so I'm which is d over dx, then f of x. Boom. This is my graph. Pretty simple, right? I would think so. Now, I'll hide this. To find the derivative at whatever point, you can just do x equals, let's see, say I want 3. Okay, 3 is kind of big. I'll do 2. Nope, 1. Alright, yeah. And that's going to be 11. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. So, yeah. That's basically it. Pretty short video, but hope you guys can learn something. And if there's anything wrong with this video, please let me know. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.